I called in sick today. Yes, I did. Called in sick. Actually, I texted in sick. I've got stuff to do. My garden's sick. Need to fix it. I'm actually going to get to work getting more down in the spiral area, taking out plants that I don't want there, pulling them out, and then I can get a good idea of where I want to put everything else in. More succulents, more cactus. It's going in around the spiral, and I'm going to go shopping today and look at some gravel. So exciting. Most of the aeoniums are going. If I can save them and put them real somewhere else, I will. If not, it's okay. Easy to make more of. Oh, that's heavy. Those get huge, really huge. I'm not sure if I want to keep it there, so it's going to. It'll get put down the hill. The roots on a sucker! Most of these are going to get rehomed. Purple fountain grass is staying. This aeonium is staying. This salvia, I'm gonna cut that one back. Hollyhock has to go. Hoping I can dig it up, put it in the middle garden. Plant, go in it. Not today. Today is all about making room. Today is about editing. Editing the garden. Specifically the spiral. Standing or going? That one's gotta go. Basically one different color. I'd keep it. I'd get rid of this tree. That lavender is going. That one right there. Possibly that aeonium. I'm going to take a look. It's going. It is a nice that would stay the set size of the This will be transplanted down the hill. sometimes you just got to sit back and look at the garden and kind of think about it in your mind and see, I'm not really that irresponsible. I have the option of taking Tuesdays and Wednesdays off if I choose. And sometimes I work because garden costs, trips to Ireland, things like that. So I'm here at Lowe's and I just really want to take a look and see what they have, what the options are as far as top dressing around the spiral area where the plantings are going. So I'm going to go in and take a look. It's a decorative stone. That's too light. I really don't want lava rock, but I do want that kind of color. So really, all they have is lava rock. They don't have any decorative stone that's darker, only lighter. So I'm not going to be able to get it at Lowe's, that's for sure. Looking for this kind of color, but I don't want lava rock. I really want to, I don't like lava rock look. It's okay. Gonna have to find another option. Okay, Home Depot is another option, so let's go inside and look and see what they have. Okay, they have a lot more options, but I'm still not sure they have any dark rock the size that I want. There's again lava. I don't want lava. So I'm just kind of looking. I think that's my only other option. I wanted to try and do it a little bit at a time, and that's why I was going to go this way. But obviously that's not going to work. I don't want black, but there is black. No brown or red. That's all they've got. Well, that's a bummer. But I'm just shopping today anyway. I wasn't planning on getting anything. Just taking a look to see if this is an option at shopping one of the box stores to buy bagged rock a little at a time. You know, there's drawbacks to that too. Sometimes you start that project and then discontinue having on hand what you need. So that could be a problem too. So thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate it on my call-in sick day to work.